हाय फ्रेंड्स, आप देख रहे हैं फिल्मी खिचड़ी। मैं हूं रूना आशीष। अर्थ डे है तो आज पर्यावरण की बात करने वाले हैं। फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पे मैं रहती हूँ उसके पास में ही आर्य मिल्क कॉलोनी है। बहुत खूबसूरत जगह है। बारिश में तो उफ, चारों तरफ हरियाली, ताजा हवा, अलग अलग तरीके के पेड़ पौधे, पक्षी, मजा आ जाता है। फ्रेंड्स, आप जानते ही होंगे कि कुछ पर्यावरणविद हैं, कुछ आर्य रोड में रहने वाले रहवासी हैं और कुछ सिटीजन्स हैं जो नहीं चाहते हैं कि आर्य रोड पर एक भी पेड़ की कटाई की जाए। तो इसी वजह से जो मेट्रो शेड वहां बनने वाला है और इन लोगों के बीच में टकराव भी है। खैर, आगे बढ़ते हैं। आज के दिन अच्छी बात करते हैं और ये बात हम बाद में भी करेंगे। और मैंने आर्य रोड से जुड़े हुए मेरे एक मित्र हैं स्टालिन डी, जो कि इन्वायरमेंटलिस्ट हैं और वनशक्ति एनजीओ के डायरेक्टर हैं। उनसे बात की तो आपके सामने लेके आ जाती हूँ और उनसे अब यहाँ आपके सामने बात करते हैं और पूछते हैं कि लॉकडाउन हो गया है स्टालिन। एक तो स्वागत है आपका। लॉकडाउन हो गया है स्टालिन, तो आर्य रोड के कुछ नजारे या एटलीस्ट बताइए कि कैसा है आर्य रोड अंदर से अब।
I would definitely say that RA has become more beautiful and much more serene rather. Right now people are not allowed to move around like they used to be, and there's much less traffic inside RA. The buses are not running properly. The private vehicles are less in number. Those who live inside RA, the tribals and the other people whom we are connected with, they tell us that it's become very, very calm and very beautiful. Lot of birds which have come in. And interestingly, the Maharashtra State Forest Department has also confirmed that there is a lot of movement of leopards now. Now the leopards are traveling from the Sanjay Gandhi National Park into RA and are going back, and they find more freedom to move around. Earlier you used to see them very late in the night generally, but now it's seen more frequently. So basically wildlife is coming back and claiming its space.
स्टालिन, ये भी जानना चाहूंगी कि प्री और पोस्ट लॉकडाउन जो है, जाहिर है उसमें एयर पोल्यूशन, वाटर पोल्यूशन, लैंड पोल्यूशन बहुत कम हुए हैं। पूरे देश से ये खबरें आ रही हैं। आपको लगता है प्रकृति अब अपना द नेचर इज क्लेमिंग कि ये मेरी जगह है?
Air quality in the cities has definitely improved. All the cities across the country, if you see whether it's Delhi or whether it's Mumbai, it's definitely improved. There's less of carbon dioxide and there's less of dust also in the atmosphere. The visibility is also better. So we can definitely say that the urban environment, as far as air quality index is concerned, the freshness in the air is definitely has come up because of this lockdown. And it's a welcome sign, but we really don't know how long this will last. At least let's enjoy it when the going is good.
स्टैलिन, आप एनवायरमेंटलिस्ट हैं। थोड़े ही दिनों पहले की अगर मैं बात कहूँ, कुछ घंटों पहले की अगर मैं बात कहूँ, तो जो नवी मुंबई की क्रीक है वहां पे बहुत सारे फ्लेमिंगोज दिखाई दिए हैं। एनवायरमेंटलिस्ट होने के नाते आपको कैसा लगा ये पूरा नजारा?
It is not really a good sign, though it always feels nice for anyone who's in the environmental section or even a naturalist, I would say, to see a lot of birds. But flamingos are increasingly concentrating themselves into Navi Mumbai because of the destruction of wetlands in Uran, and now there's very little space left for them. That's why they are coming into the last remaining areas, which is the bay and the north of the Thane Creek right up to Kopri. I would say from Shivri up to Kopri, you will find an increasing number of flamingos concentrating on those areas. But always there is a lot of value added, aesthetic and natural value, the ecological value, the beauty of the place. It really showcases that humans can coexist with wildlife if you are a little more tolerant and if you give them those small spaces which they have claimed in, like they've claimed in Navi Mumbai. Very sadly, if you see CIDCO, the body which is supposed to be protecting the wetlands of Navi Mumbai, has come on record saying that there are no wetlands in Navi Mumbai. And if the government agencies have that kind of attitude, it's a very defeating and very sad situation. But the silver lining, the happiness today is to see those flamingos converge in large numbers at Navi Mumbai, and we welcome it. And it should be showcased to the world. Okay, look here, there's so much of biodiversity existing alongside the urban infrastructure.
Okay, Stalin, do you suggest some points जो आज के समय में या अगले कुछ दिनों में जब जैसे ही लॉकडाउन खुल जाएगा तो लोग इस बात का ध्यान रखें?
People have to learn from this lockdown that nature is a great leveler and we need to respect nature. We need to give it its space and live in harmony with nature, not at the expense of nature. COVID-19 is just one of those few viruses which has come out in the last decade or 2 decades. There are so many still awaiting. If we don't learn our lessons now, we are doomed. As a human race, we are doomed. We like to have this belief in ourselves that we will save the planet. The planet doesn't need saving. The planet will save itself. If you look across the country, ecosystems are reviving. We need to take care of ourselves. If the humans have to survive, they need to realize that they have a responsibility towards nature first, and then comes the economic prosperity part of it. So here is a lesson which we need to learn, but I am not very hopeful given the present disposition at the center and the way they have been bulldozing environment clearances. I don't really have much hope. For example, with the Wildlife Board, the National Board for Wildlife has not had a single meeting from 2014, which is 6 years down the line.
थैंक्स लॉट स्टालिन। आपको अर्थ डे की बहुत बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं और चाहेंगे कि जैसे भी हो हमारा पर्यावरण बचे और प्रकृति को प्यार मिले और कोई पेड़ ना कटे। थैंक्स लॉट। ओके फ्रेंड्स, तो आपने मेरी इनसे बातचीत सुनी, देखी, आपको कैसा लगा प्लीज मुझसे लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करके फिल्मी खिचड़ी पे अपने कमेंट जरूर दीजिए, क्योंकि ये जो है पर्यावरण के नाम पे है, ये मेरे या आपके नाम पर नहीं है। पर्यावरण को जिताइए। बाय।